this lecture, we will discuss the difference between lean thinking and traditional thinking. Let's recall two of the types of work we learned about. Those work activities that add value and those that do not. Here we see an activity that is adding value. As we learn, it is referred to as value-added work because somebody is willing to pay for the activity, transformation that moves the process closer to the end objective occurs, and the activity is performed correctly the first time through. These types of activities are crucial to an organization. They create value for the customer and, as some may say, are the only activities that really matter. This is true in many respects, but in true lean thinking, non-value matters just as much. Let's take a closer look. Here is a value stream. To simplify, we will identify activities as either red or green. When you see a green portion of the value stream, this means that the value has been added. When you see a red portion of the value stream, the activity is in fact non-value. As a reminder, value-adding activities must transform in some way. In this activity, we see that the vast majority of the value stream is in fact non-value, or activities that do not add value. This is the key difference between traditional thinking and lean thinking. In a traditional organization, the focus is on getting more out of the value-adding activities. For example, if a job is running late, a traditional organization may work overtime, hire more workers, or at times push resources to run longer, harder, and faster than they normally would. While this can at times be valuable, it is not a sustainable way to operate. Lean thinking organizations look at the process and acknowledge the importance of creating value, but focus primarily on eliminating or reducing the waste in a value stream. This type of focus not only improves the efficiency of a value stream, but it also enhances the effectiveness, improves the quality, advances the agility, as well as reduces costs across an organization. As you can see, a lean thinking organization simply has more opportunity to improve and enhance the various processes in their organizations. This focus on waste reduction can be difficult to accept at times, as it requires us to acknowledge and accept that all organizations do in fact have waste. With that said, as you begin to remove waste, you will find that this method of continuous improvement is actually much easier than pushing the limits of already excessive overtime and overused resources.